Is it possible to vibe code an AI agent without having to connect those nodes or logic modules? Yes, I built this SEO agent just by chatting my way into production grade agent with beautiful AI app interface so others can use it with Vellum AI. What is Vellum? It is a text to agent builder so that you can build most complex agents just by chatting with AI without writing a single line of code or having to drag and drop those logic modules. Just tell Vellum what your agent wants to do and it will build out the workflow logic, tools and UI automatically. It is the fastest way to build an AI agent from scratch to production, all happening in one platform. So let's vibe code a full-fledged SEO agent with Vellum that will first conduct comprehensive keyword research and analysis. Second, we can maybe build a Reddit research agent that will collect insights from our keyword related subcommunities or subreddits. Last but not least, a SEO content expert to analyze the top performing content from a keyword and identify opportunity. Then we will feed all of this data and context into an SEO content writer to write high quality comprehensive articles that will rank for our target keyword. Thereafter, we will store everything inside our tracker. In this example, I am using Airtable, but feel free to connect with Slack, HubSpot or Linear. Plus, we will also get an UI or AI app interface so that we or others can interact with our AI agent. So this is our entire SEO agent that we will vibe code into production grade agent by using Vellum. So first of all, head over to vellum.ai and log in or sign up with your account. Here is our beautiful dashboard where on the left hand side we have agent builder where we will vibe code our agent just by chatting with AI, and here is our canvas where Vellum will build out workflow logic and tool for us. So let's get started. We want to build an SEO agent, but we will define what it needs to do step by step. So we have this beautiful option of edit workflow or not, so that I can plan with agent builder or chat with agent builder so that it has sufficient context about what type of agent I want to build, and once I want to get started building it, I will enable this. Right now let's disable this and let's get started. So we want to build an SEO AI agent and we will define the workflow step by step. So yeah, I'm ready to build your SEO agent. Just tell me what it needs to do. First of all, we want to build a research agent, so we will enter this prompt. It should research about particular keyword on the web. Alright, so it will take keyword as an input, research the web for information and gather context about relevant SEO strategy. And this is the part where I love Vellum the most, is where I can easily chat with agent builder or plan with agent builder to avoid any confusion. So first of all, it will take input as a keyword, then it will build out agent node which will have access to SERP API search, news search and scholar search, and then analyze all of the gathered data and synthesize into beautiful format. So we can accept the plan and get started building it. So it is automatically collecting all the tools needed, and it is reading the documentation, reading SDK documents without we having to write a single line of code. Awesome, so it will create an SEO research agent, and there we have it. Let's open that, and here we can see the model it is using, the system field prompt. You are an expert research agent and you have to perform comprehensive keyword research about this keyword, and here we have the keyword in the variable. Then these are the tools that it has connected so that it can perform action on behalf of us. Awesome, so this looks great. Now what we can do is we can actually test and then move forward. So we want to write a blog article on context engineering. So our keyword will be context engineering. So we will set this as an input. Awesome, so it has added our keyword as an input, and now we can run and test it. We can say run the workflow. As you can see, it will kick off or launch our workflow for us. So we can also open result or this console. It is performing research by using our SERP API integration. And here is our comprehensive research on our keyword of context engineering. I think it is done now, so we can hide the console and see the results here as well. Here everything is green, so we are good to go. Let's open the results. Here is our output research, and I think it has done pretty good job on it. Now we can move forward to the next step, which is building a Reddit research agent to gather insights from our keyword related subcommunities or subreddits. Alright, now let's hide this console and get started on the next step, which is we want to create another agent that will do keyword research from this subreddit of context engineering to find some information. Now where you can find this type of subreddits, just go to Google and search for a keyword and type in subreddit. You are likely to find in the first result. We will copy from here the name of the subreddit and paste it inside our Vellum. Awesome. Now I also want to disable this as I want to plan or chat with my agent builder as of now. So right now it is reasoning through our request, which is first of all to find out Reddit integration. Once done, we want to find out relevant tool calling and create a plan. So this is our entire plan where it will add a new agent named Reddit research agent, exactly what we wanted. and this will be our workflow structure. I think it's good to go, so we can proceed with it. Let's enable this and click on proceed. This way you can easily chat and build AI agents where you have the most control and power over each step. Awesome, so it has actually built out our Reddit agent. Let's open that. So this is the model it is using, this is the entire prompt, and the tools integration to find out more insights about those subreddits. So we can set this as input about context engineering. Let's run this workflow and test. So if you open console, you will see what's happening in the backend of your agent. So it is executing our Reddit research agent, where it is fetching from comments, post articles, all on its own without you having to do anything. As you can see, it is doing amazing research about our subreddit and gathering all the insights and formatting into a beautiful manner. So here is a synthesized analysis of our subreddit. Yeah, I think this is really great, and we can create high quality comprehensive articles about our targeted keyword. So let's hide this console, and now we can type in this prompt. The second agent is working great. Now let's proceed with the last one, where it will scrape top 5 ranking articles from our keyword and gather contents and analyze what is working well from them. So let's click on send. Perfect. So this is our plan for our SEO content analyst, where it will use these tools and analyze the output on content type, ranking opportunities, and topic coverage. So let's get started and create this agent. Great. So it has created our content analyst agent, and here we have it. So if you open this, it is using Firecall and SERP API as tools. Now I think we are good to go, so we can run this workflow and test the results. If something is wrong, you can easily chat with Agent Builder and it will fix those errors for you. Let's open console and see what's happening in the backend. So we have our content analysis output here, where it has scraped top 5 ranking article about our keyword, identify missing opportunity, patterns, and structure so that we can easily create high quality comprehensive articles from our keyword. I think this is really good. Now what we will do is feed all of these 3 agents context and data and fed into an article generator to create high quality comprehensive article for us. We can say, great, all of this is working. Now let's take output from all of these 3 agents and create an article agent for our keyword. Here is our plan for our article generation agent, where it will synthesize all the research and insights from all of these 3 agents and craft an article to optimize ranking opportunity. So let's create this article agent. Perfect. So this is our restructured workflow, where it will take output from all of these 3 agents and give it to our article writer agent that will create comprehensive, highly optimized article for us. So I think we can test this. Click on run. And obviously you can edit the workflow in the canvas itself if you like. The best part about Vellum is whenever your agent is facing any error, it will automatically find and fix those and debug them. Here we can see it has successfully generated the output from all of these 3 agents and giving it to our article writer agent as context. Awesome, it is done. Let's open the result. And there we have it. This is our title of our article, then table of content, what is content engineering, why it matters, the architectures and patterns, literally everything. So this is a really comprehensive and well optimized articles to maximize the ranking of our article. From here, if you are satisfied with the result, you can easily store it inside your tracker. In this example, I am using Airtable, but feel free to use Slack, HubSpot, Linear, whatever you like. We can say perfect, it's great, add this article to my Airtable. So it will check for Airtable integration tools, and you just have to fill in your Airtable configuration to store this inside your tracker. Here is our Airtable node, where it will save the keyword, article content, and generate date inside our Airtable. Now from here you can actually publish your agent and deploy it right away all in one platform, as well as preview the SDK code if you want to deep dive inside the code. So this is our Python file of content analysis agent, Reddit agent, SEO agent, article generator, and save to airtable.py file, where you can use this command line to use Vellum CLI to pull down code of your workflow or push an updated version to your workflow. So let's click on publish, where you will find code snippet or SDK code to embed inside your product or integrate via an API. You can also share this link to test it internally inside your team, as well as you can share this to your user. Just click on Open AI app, where it will have beautiful interface or dashboard so that other can interact with your agents. Here is our SEO agent, where all you need to do is enter your keyword and Airtable configuration to save your article inside your tracker. And once the user will click on this run button, it will kick off our agent in the backend. Next, you can check the execution, releases, monitoring, all from one platform. So that's how you vibe code an agent without you having to even connect logic modules or nodes by using Vellum.ai. So make sure to check out Vellum at Vellum.ai, your fastest way to build agents just by describing in plain English.